Today we are making a car. You're saying it all wrong. Now stop saying it. Okay. We are actually making a Hello Kitty wallet or not. Or any character. I don't know. But ready? 3, 2, 1. So what did I need to do? I'm sorry, guys. I just didn't do anything. My grandma just is seeing TV, so that's why. Okay. She kind of.
I get my iPad.
Sometimes, yeah, just
my videos.
Saying the English.
Hey, I get my
News.
iPad.
Okay.
I get my iPad.
You're seeing. Yeah. Okay. That was the sound from his iPad. Okay.
Yeah, he's 100.
Okay, cool. I don't know. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry for doing that, okay? So, first things first, we are gonna do this, okay? You guys, you have this paper. Yeah? Do you have one? Okay. I think I have one, guys. Or 2. Maybe we need 2 or not. Okay. First things first.
Happy.
First things first. You are gonna do this.
Yeah. I'll get some weekend, guys.
Yeah, kind of. Let him play, okay? He's just a baby. Yeah, that's my baby brother. My school is so fun. Yeah, can I? I'll tell you later on the end of the video.
I'm here
okay?
now. This is my new car.
Okay.
This is my surprise car.
Yeah, that was from his almost. That was last time he got that from his birthday. Okay, from his birthday. Yeah.
I also have another one.
You do for this.
I also have another one.
You need to do that.
I'll get this soon.
Second of, take it out. Do this. Let me do it. Okay, do that.
My next surprise is
This.
This
Yeah, he got
Halloween's
it from
car.
his birthday.
This
too.
Hot Wheels car.
I think that's not a Hot Wheels car, bro. Does it? Okay.
Yeah, see
Then
this sign?
you're gonna.
You see this sign? It says Hot Wheels.
No, it says Galaxy. Okay. Okay.
It says Galaxy Hot Wheels monster car.
Yeah, we have this right here. We're gonna do the same thing in the other side. You know,
Jump.
like this.
Wow, good job.
Like open door, close door, open. Not like that. Okay. Now we're gonna take this out. Then it's gonna be kind of. Did I do it all wrong? Or did I... Wait, guys, I think I did it wrong or Okay, never mind. I did it right. Okay, we have this. You guys are gonna do this, but not on the same side. Okay, if someone does it, I just wanted to tell you. Okay, you're gonna like put this in that line right over there and put that right there, okay? Yeah, I didn't put my table because the camera stand is kind of hard, okay? So, we have this. Need to do that? Yeah, so we have this right here. Okay, We have this right here.
Egg.
Now we're gonna do this. I think so.
Uh,
Yeah, it's like that. Oh.
my tongue is so big.
Oh my god. Don't say it, okay? Okay. We have this right here. What do we need to do next? Let me think.
Tubo na lang, saya tubo na lang.
What did we need to do next?
Bahala na.
Let me think. Like, okay, I'll try. Okay, I think I have been solving that problem. I found it. Okay, I'm sorry guys for distracting you from eating egg. Yeah, I'm eating egg right now. Yeah, wait, let me. So where's like?
Egg could be a chick.
So you have this line right here. You're gonna do that, okay?
You see this, guys?
Go, baby, then.
This is my first surprise.
That's mine, bro. Yeah, we will do this video about growth mindset and fixed mindset, okay? Put that away right now. We're gonna do that in the next video.
Ilo.
Okay.
Ako si Johnny.
Get my candy.
Ciao.
Eu também.
Let me-
Sai, faz vaca e meu foi vaca.
Okay. You have this, yeah, from that right there. So you're gonna.
I can see it in the iPad.
What
I
iPad?
can see it in the iPad.
You're seeing it?
In the iPad.
Okay, cool. You're just seeing. Okay. I have this right here. Don't tell anybody. Okay. We have this right here. We are gonna do that in the other side. Okay. I'll just do it in 0 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 0. Stop. Don't show anybody. Okay? So, whoop, 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 whoop. Okay. You have this right here. What do we do next? Oh, what was that? Okay, now we know. Okay. So, you take out this side. And you fold this to like this, I think it was like that. Then you do it over there, over here,
No.
over there. Okay?
iPad.
She's saying that.
Tubo na lang sa.
It's okay. I'll do it
I'm a
in-
baby brother.
0.
Saya.
I'm sorry about my face because I ate egg, okay? We
Saya. Saya.
What?
I went to George's house.
You're lying, bro. What house? What kind of house?
We was making.
I don't know what you're talking about, but we got this. I think we need to like.
I was talking about houses.
Okay. Cool. He's just talking about. It's okay. He just destroyed the house that my grandma made so hard. Okay? I'm sorry, house. I'm sorry, house. I don't know what he's talking about, but you do this. You see this? Wait, I didn't do the same one.
Yeah, I do the wrong way.
So we have this right here.
A square, a square,
Then,
a square, a square.
stop showing your iPad over there. Okay, now we have this. I did it the wrong way again. I'm not gonna be mad, okay? Okay. Why is it moving? I put it like the right side. Okay. Now I did it. Now.
Yucca.
Okay. So we have this. Bro, you're literally guys, I'll do this in 1 second. Okay, 1. Did that in 1.
What are you talking about? Hey, what is
That was that and what?
Do it fast. I don't want to hear you.
Hello. Bye. No gun. Bye.
Do it fast.
Go and play with the cars, okay? Now we have this. Wait.
Do it.
Oh, you need to open it. Here.
I will show the viewers the water bottle. You see my water? My dad my mom gets a soup, and my dad and me get a soup, and we buy my young water bottle.
No, you're spending time over here. Okay, so we do this right here. We are gonna fold it the same way. Okay? See? I fold it. Open, close. Open, close. Okay? So, I think. Okay.
Open it! Close it! Open, close.
Okay. Never mind. You do this. Do the other one. Say. Only one, please.
I am
Then we do this. If you want to close it, you grab that. Then, let me check a little. Then put that inside.
Hey! Look! This is mine.
Yeah, it's too small for you now. Okay, see?
This is
Open.
big.
Then I close it. Put it right there.
Yeah,
It
fit.
closed. Okay? You can use any paper. I forgot to say that. Okay? Any paper. Okay? Now we have all of this right here. Now everybody, you know what to do. Okay. But can I tell you something important? This way you will know, okay? So you have these lines. This is the first one. That is the down. That's the front. This is the front. So if it is like this and it's like this, that is the back, okay? But if it is like that, that is the front. Okay? Everybody understands? I think they understand. Now, you have these ones. You can draw from over here. If you draw like over here and you draw, that was backwards. Okay? This is frontwards. Okay? So everybody know what to do. Everybody know what to do. Okay? Now, we're done with the video. So now you can put anything but not big things. It's a wallet. Okay, guys? So, do you like this video? Yeah. Ah! Okay. So do you like, thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. And